Hey everyone, I'm filming this video on my front-facing camera on my phone, so the quality is not going to be the best, and my room is a mess in the background, and I haven't made my bed today either, but I just got off of work not too long ago. So anyway, this is my week 16, 17, and 18 video. I'm kind of combining it all into one. Just because it's all kind of the same, and I just didn't get around to filming for the last few weeks. My stomach is starting to show a little bit. I have a picture on my Instagram. I'll have the link down below if you guys are interested, or I'll have my username down below. I've been getting like out of breath really easily, and I have been getting like just tired easily. Like if I'm like walking a lot or walking upstairs, and I'm starting to get bigger. Obviously my boobs have been getting bigger as well, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I know a lot of people are like super excited about that, but I most definitely am not. I miss having smaller boobs. So I do plan on breastfeeding, and I'm hoping that after that, you know, everything goes back down to normal. But I plan on breastfeeding for quite a while. With Riley, I breastfed for 1 year and 2 months. So I do get sciatic nerve pain sometimes. I don't know if it's normal to get it that early. I'm 18 weeks right now, obviously. Almost 19 weeks, but I don't know if that's normal or not. I know with Riley I got it really later on in my pregnancy, but I get it sometimes now as well. I get acid reflux pretty easily, which was normal with my first pregnancy as well. Sorry, I keep messing with my hair. And then what else? I do have pelvic pain. I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video, but it feels like somebody's like cranking open my pelvis, like down there. It just feels like everything's trying to open, and it's so painful. When I'm lying down even, and I'm like moving around like from one side to the other side, it's pretty painful. It doesn't feel too good. I still lay on my stomach. You are allowed to lay on your stomach until it's uncomfortable. My stomach's not like super big yet, but I do still lay on my stomach sometimes. Sometimes I'll like prop one of my legs out if I'm laying on my stomach and if I feel like it's not very comfortable. But it's weird because sometimes like my stomach will feel like it's out more, and sometimes it feels like it's in more, and that could be because the baby is moving around. So anyway, I can't really think of anything else for my update. Yeah, I don't have any weird cravings or anything. I think everything I eat is pretty normal. I have been wanting a lot of grapefruit lately though, which is not uncommon. I do love grapefruit. It's my favorite fruit. So yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions, ask me and I'll answer it. Follow me on Instagram if you'd like, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.